Hi everybody. Welcome to my classroom segment. So today I came in with one disturbing question, and the question is, why is it that from this part of the world there is so much emphasis laid on the female folks getting culinary skills or acquiring culinary skills, even from the part of our parents, I mean, on their own part, especially our mothers, even from childhood, they try so much to instill these culinary measures in the female folks with just so much attention on the male folks. Is there a particular reason for that? Well, I'm just wondering, just wondering. This is me just wondering at that. Sometimes my thoughts can just fly, just go to where it's not supposed to go. But at the end of the day, I have to tell it to come back. If it wanders, I get it back on track. So tell me, why is that? What's the reason for that? Have you ever come to terms with that? But I feel like, for me, I feel like it's a life skill, whether you're a male or female, by the way, right? You have to make your meals, simple meals, and eat. That's by the way, but that's a question, please. I don't know what your opinions are, but please share your opinions with me in the comment section. So, I love rice. I once said that rice, I once told you that rice was and is still presently my favorite food. So if I want to make a simple jollof rice and I get into my kitchen, what basic ingredients do I need? Well, there has to be a groundnut oil. Yeah, definitely has to be a groundnut oil. And I need this tomatoes. This is sachet tomato. La tomate, I need tomatoes. So tomatoes in French is called la tomate. I need this one for my jollof rice. Et ça, c'est le piment. This is what? Pepper. Le piment. This is ground pepper here, actually, not like the red peppers or the ones, Ça, c'est le piment. Piment is pepper. Pepper is piment in French. So these are all the items I will need to make my jollof rice. Just one of such essential items, actually. There's a lot. And sase, le cube, Maggi. I want to sound so poised and like I want to talk with steez, okay? Enough of all these unconventional techniques. Maggi. This is called Maggi. So odd. Maggi, c'est pour préparer la nourriture. Maggi is called cube en français. Le cube. Si c'est beaucoup, c'est le cube. If it's many, it's Maggi, le cube. Si c'est beaucoup, c'est le cube. If it's many, it's called what? Le cube. Mais si c'est seulement un, it's just one, c'est what? Le cube. Le cube. This is crayfish. There's always this argument on whether or not crayfish should be used for your jollof rice. A lot of people said it's an essential ingredient. Others said it's not needed. What's your take? Do you use crayfish in preparing your jollof rice or even your stew? So crayfish in French is la crevette. La crevette. And this is, I am the light of the world. Who believes in me? He shall be given the light and shall never walk in darkness. I am the salt of the earth. This is salt. Salt of the earth. So, you were likened as a salt. You were liking to a salt. That means you need to have a sweeting flavor. Okay? Salt is locel. Look at it. Locel, salt. Cravette, crayfish. Piment, pepper. Tomate, tomatoes. Le cube, Maggi, or let me sound too short. Let me say it so much, just a bit of poise. Maggie, Maggie. Oh, I don't know. There's one girl I know. Her name is Margaret. But then it sounded as though it's quite hectic or so much task to call her always by her complaint. So people call her Maggie. And so when you call her Maggie, she won't answer. She'll tell you, my name is not Maggie. My name is Margaret. Margaret. So this is Maggie. Maybe if we had called her Maggie, maybe she would have answered. It's still Maggie, it's still Maggie now. So Le Cube, I play a lot. You know, mind me? Le Cube, Maggie, Le Cube, Maggie. Si c'est beaucoup, if it's many, c'est le cube, plural. If it's many, it's called le cube. C-U-B-E-S. Mais si seulement un, c'est what? C'est quoi? Le cube. Thank you for watching this video.